nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today again something Italian. The winter coming and we have to put stuff in storage for the winter. Today I'm going to make garlic chili oil. Already I did a couple of videos about chili oil in jar, but I want to do a new flavor with garlic. It's very nice. Easy to do, a little bit long process, but when you eat it, it's something absolutely super. Well, we need some nice fresh chili. I wash them, and some jar, they already sterilized. You can sterilize in the oven, you can boil it, you can put some boiled water from the kettle. Careful, if it's too hot, they can break it. But easy to do, long process. Make close to you a bowl. You're gonna take the chili. Basically, you're gonna do this. I do this. When it's big like that, I cut in two, even in four, and start very gently, chop it, everything. You know, take your time. Of course, this is not obligatory, because if you don't like chop by knife, you can blend it. But I prefer by hands. Look, you have to do this dimension. I show you in the end. Later, you don't have to be precise. You can do any chop you like. If you like big like this, I show you another one. You know, that's it. You don't have to. It's your chili. You can do what you like. But I won't say, if you cut by hands, your hands, they're gonna be very chili. Don't touch your eyes, your lips. Don't touch anywhere. Okay? Wash your hand first, because it can be a little bit pain. Anyway, I'm going to cut all this chili. For this chili, I think I'm gonna need like hour. When you cut it, start putting it in the bowl, okay? Just like that. Okay, guys, work in progress. A lot to do. My fingers, they're a little bit on fire. And guys, always, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website. Always, guys. Okay? See you when we finish. Okay guys, 1 hour and 10 minutes. This long time, but it's absolutely nice. Already the smell. Guys, when it's like that, some sea salt, mix everything, and now we gonna put in the jar with a white wine vinegar, but you can use any vinegar you like, to be honest. We're gonna leave in the vinegar around 2 days. I show you one. Just fill up this. Okay guys, in the jar, just like that. Easy, press a little bit. Not too full, and now pour the vinegar inside. Gonna be everything under. Later, if we need a little bit more, we can add, and just it's done. Gonna be like this for 2 days, and later I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, because we're gonna give them the garlic flavor. And now I'm gonna show you as well, because I have to do a couple jar with a malt vinegar to do another flavor. Okay, guys, this one I do with malt vinegar. And just pour it like that. All this chili I cut is 1 kilo. You know, with this you can have all winter. Well, depends how much you eat, but you know, this is you need long time, because later when we put in the oil, you just put in your dish a teaspoon, a little bit, half teaspoon. Anyway, this one I'm gonna do with white as well. See you in 2 days. I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay, guys. After 2 days, our chili in the vinegar is already done. We cured in the vinegar. We cured a little bit. We add some salt. Now get ready some garlic. Now I'm gonna show you my little Enrico what he did. Look, he did a nice Mario Bros. Enrico is very good. And get ready some garlic. We're gonna use, because this is gonna be in garlic flavor. Okay, what you have to do, if you find one like this, is a very good help. Now we're going here, we take a bowl. Up to you, if you want reuse this vinegar, you can. If not, you bin it. But don't forget that this vinegar is spicy, okay? You have to do just this, pour it. Okay? Now take a garlic. This up to you. If you want strong flavor, put more. if you don't, you want just gentle, just cut in two and put inside. I'm gonna do 1.5 because I like that. Okay, now when you do that, try to find a nice extra virgin olive oil and just get it full. You need a lot of oil here because it's gonna be completely covered, and when it's completely covered you can leave in the storage at least 1 year. Guys, this is stuff very good. It is gonna be garlic chili oil. Now help again yourself like it is. Yeah, just like that. Do all of them because 100% we're gonna add some more oil. When I'm finished all, I show you the rest, okay? Okay guys, everything under the oil. Oh, look there, I'm so proud of this. And guys, basically the job is done. I just want to recommend you, try to use something to push inside because the oil gonna go everywhere. And check again in 2-3 hours or tomorrow if need some more olive oil. If need, just you have to put because the job is done. Close it. You don't need the vacuum and stuff like that. This, under the oil, you can save at least a year, even more. Because I have something in my storage, maybe it's 2 years, and I'm still eating. Very nice. And it's done, guys. The garlic chili oil, guys, is this. Amazing. Look at that. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.